Okay, now back to number 3 of this little series of meal prep for our stuffed peppers. So what I'm going to do now is come over to the stove and put our ground beef in. So I've got the pan heated up. I'm just going to mix it in there like that. I'm going to rinse my hands off so that I don't get the handle dirty, slippery. And then I'm going to turn my fire down a bit, take my mix and chop and just chop it up really good and let it sit there for a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. Let me get my salt from over here. Just a little. And I'm just going to use the pepper from here. And I'm just using ground pepper. And so then I'm going to come back in here and use my mix and chop again to just chop it all up. And I'm going to bring you over here so that you can see close up what it actually is doing, because it really does make it nice and fine so that you can, it's not real huge bites. And this is perfect for using it for your taco meat and any kind of meat that you want to have ground turkey. You can do this little pinwheel type of a thing. Some people use these to decorate tops of cakes and pie crusts. The little design that it makes is really cute. So this is just almost done, and what I usually do is after I've browned my meat, I will put it in the strainer and rinse all that oil off so I don't have any of the oil on it. So this looks really pretty good. So I'm going to put the camera back down, and I'm going to take my meat and I'm going to rinse it out. And as soon as I do that, I'll be back.